If your QuadHUB device is not recognized in USB mode on a Windows computer and you encounter the error "No compatible device found," follow these steps to install the necessary drivers. Visit the quadstore.in website. Click on Download Guide and Source Code or navigate directly to the Downloads page. Scroll down and click on the Drivers for QuadHUB button to download the necessary drivers in a zip format. Once downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Open Device Manager on your computer, where you should see an exclamation mark next to the CP2010-2 USB to UART bridge controller. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click the Browse button, select the folder where the driver files are extracted, and click OK. Click Next to install the drivers. Once completed, a message confirming successful installation will appear. Click Close and the exclamation mark should disappear, indicating the device is now recognized under a COM port. Now to connect in IoT software. Open IoT software. Click the three dots next to the Disconnect button and select Connect Serial. Click Filtered Connect and your device should appear in the list. Select your device and click Connect. The status in the top right corner should now change from disconnected to connected. Now you should be successfully able to download the programs to QuadHUB device.